Hello everyone, and welcome to the Artificial Intelligence 3 Hours. My name is Luka Anicin, and I'm going to be instructor for this course. I have 6 years of experience as a software development. Most of that I have spent as an artificial intelligence engineer and multiple projects, such as computer vision projects and natural language processing. And on an educational perspective, I have completed Artificial Intelligence Nano Degree course on the first cohort. Let's talk about the course. This course is separated into 5 sections. In the first section, we are going to cover supervised machine learning. We are going to talk about some basic concepts of this approach to solve tasks and what tasks can be solved with these algorithms. In the section 2, we are going to move to unsupervised learning. So some tasks cannot be solved, as you will see in the section 1 as a supervised machine learning task, but unsupervised, which is more complicated, but you will understand and have good understanding of this concept after the section 2. In the section 3, we are going to move to the novel approach to solving these tasks, which is called deep learning. And we are going to introduce some of the basic algorithms covered in the deep learning courses. So by the end of section 3, you will know how to optimize and build your own model in a deep learning. In section 4, we are going to jump to working with images. So in the section 4, be ready, you're going to work not only with the time series data or just numbers, you're going to work also with images, which is very interesting, and you can see your own results already. After the section 4, you're going to cover and have understanding of convolutional neural networks. In section 5, we are going to jump to reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is the way that we can solve applications with artificial intelligence. In the section 5, you're going to learn how to create your own AlphaGo algorithm and how to optimize it to play any Atari game. So be ready, in the section 5 you're going to learn some cutting-edge technologies. I do expect some prerequisites for this course. Python programming or basic Python programming is very necessary for this course because we are going to implement some very cutting-edge technologies in it. So having experience in Python programming will help you a lot. Most of these algorithms we are going to implement using Jupyter Notebook IDE. So knowledge of this IDE will help you. But it's not necessary. If you don't have it, you will get your hands-on experience in this course. Learning mathematics in this course won't be our main task. So having basic understanding of linear algebra and calculus will help you a lot, but it is not necessary, it is recommended though. So if you have it, you will understand lots of concepts very easily. But if you don't, just try to follow up with your peers and you will get everything covered up. And that's it. Welcome to the course on Artificial Intelligence in 3 hours. Let's get started.